In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add side-by-side input fields in Ninja Forms. We'll use the simplest approach, the official layout and styles add-on. This method lets you place fields next to each other with a quick drag and drop, and it stays responsive so your layout looks great on desktop and stacks neatly on mobile. First, make sure the layout and styles add-on for Ninja Forms is installed and activated. Once that's set, open your WordPress dashboard and head to Ninja Forms, then Forms, and choose the form you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new form. Otherwise, just open the one you already have. Next, add the fields you want to sit side by side. A common example is first name and last name, but this works just as well for email and phone, city and state, or any pair that belongs together. Keep your labels short and clear so they fit nicely in a tighter layout. Now for the layout magic. In the form builder, click and drag one field next to another. As you move it, you'll notice a blue bar indicating where it can go. Keep dragging until that bar turns green, then release. When it turns green, you've created a column next to the first field, and your inputs will appear side by side in the builder. If you don't see the green drop zone, double check that the add-on is activated and that you're placing the field directly beside the other, not above or below. To fine-tune the spacing, hover between the two fields and drag the separator. You'll see percentage widths appear, such as a balanced 50 and 50 split. For a name and email layout, you might want 50 and 50, but if one field needs more room, try 60 and 40 or 70 and 30. The percentages make it easy to get a precise, consistent look. When you're happy with the layout, publish or update your form and view it on the front end. On desktop, the fields should now appear side by side. On tablets and phones, they'll typically stack automatically, thanks to the add-on's responsive design. If you don't see changes right away, refresh your page or clear any site or browser cache. As an optional finishing touch, open the layout and styles controls to adjust colors, borders, and spacing so the fields match your site's design. And that's it. You've added side-by-side input fields in Ninja Forms using the layout and styles add-on. Save your form, test a quick submission, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.